Take the vMix switchboard as an example. I'd like to introduce to you the installation and use of a 2021 new guided radio wireless talkie and talkie. It is an integrated device for wireless two-way calling and wireless talkie indicator, low delay, strong anti-interference, long distance, easy to use, and so on. 1. Connect the antenna to the host and pull the antenna to a position 1 meter away from the host. 2. Connect the mini USB port of the host with our special USB data cable and connect the other end to the USB interface or for the Windows computer. The computer permits to install the driver. Please download the driver from our website www.sdlx.vip to install. After successful installation of the driver, it is displayed in the port in Device Manager. 3. After opening the vMix software, (1) Click on the gear setting in the lower right corner of the material. 2. Select the talkie lamp. 3. Select the port where the COM port driver is successful. 4. Set the talkie number. 5. The green word connected indicates successful setting and set it turn. The talkie effect is shown below. Red 1, green 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Caught. 6. Click the vMix menu to save so that it can be used directly next time. 4. Connect the host to the headset or gooseneck microphone. Select the mic select to the correct position and turn on. After flickering and self-check, all the indicator lights on the front panel can be used. 5. Connect the extension to the earphone. Turn the potentiometer on. Press the right button on the earphone or the right button on the side of the extension to talk with other devices.
Hello?